Hello. What's that? What's that? They're feeding. The one on the left is a baby and the one on the right, pink Galah, must be its mum. Here goes again. Sorry about the shaking. I'm zoomed right in. But what it does, it vomits mum the stuff in its guts and gives it to the little one. Mother Nature working at its best. I like how they sit there with their wings apart. Magpies do that too. But the magpies, they flap their wings at the same time as keeping them out. It's pretty cool. Their babies, I'll zoom out. There you go. There's another flock in the tree. Little flock this time, not too many. There's big flocks around here of up to 50, 60 at least. That's no exaggeration. Then they might break apart. So it's pretty cool. There goes some now. Maybe the rest of them. Oh. It's funny, isn't it? Get. You full yet, baby, or what? We gotta go get the next spot. We gotta eat again. No, have some more then. I won't zoom in, it's too, what's it called? Unsteady. Need to put on steady cam. Here it goes again. Little baby must be starving. It's pretty big too, it's the same size as the adult. I have another one. Funny as, that's heaps. It's still complaining, give me more. I'm a growing teenager. Right, that'll do. I'm shaking, it's starting to make me shake more. Blimmins. Ah, well. It's going to be a nice day today again. Hope you enjoy your day too. Little Galah is. With a nice wispy high cirrus. Very good. Righto, that's about all, huh? Won't hold you up. Thanks for watching. Happy feeding for you too. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.